Example 3. Once again, we're going to determine the eccentricity of the ellipse given this equation. Recall the formula E equals C over A. We need to first determine A by using the largest denominator, which is 25. So we know that A squared equals 25. Square root both sides and get A equals 5. Then we can determine C by using the formula C squared equals A squared minus B squared. Remember, A squared is the largest denominator, so that's 25. And then B squared is the smallest denominator, so that is 4. So we've got C squared equals 25 minus 4, which is 21. Square root both sides, and we get C equals the square root of 21, which is approximately, well, let's not approximate that yet. Let's just use square root of 21. Now at this point we can use our formulas. E equals C over A, so square root of 21 over 5. And at this point we can put this in the calculator, and we get approximately 0.92, which is very close to 1. So we can see that the shape of this ellipse is going to be very narrow or stretched.